Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine, aren't you? Okay, very good. You were waiting for the class? You all are waiting for the class? Okay, very good. Then let's start it. Okay, are you ready? Very good. Now, today we are going to learn how to write a letter. What we are going to learn? How to write a letter. Do you have written a letter before? Do you have written a letter before? No? Don't worry, we are going to learn it for the first time. Okay. And why we write a letter? Why we write a letter? We write a letter to convey the messages. Okay, we write a letter to convey the messages. And before the invention of mobile phone, people used to write letters. Okay, before the invention of mobile phone, all the people they used to write letters to convey their messages. If anyone want to say anything now we can use mobile phone, right? But in ancient time, people used to write letters. So now today we are going to learn how to write a letter. What we are going to learn? How to write a letter. Okay. So there are two types of letters. Which are they? There are two types of letters. That is, one is formal letter, another one is informal letter. Formal letter is a type of letter which we write to the authorities, like our principal. When we write a letter to the principal or for the collector or some authorities, when we write letters to the authorities, it comes under formal letter. Then what is informal letter? Informal letters are letters which we write to our relatives or parents, friends, etc. Okay, so today we are going to learn about, we are going to write a informal letter. Okay, very good. All of you, for that all of you take page number 12. All of you take it. You got page number 12? Very good. Let us see what is a informal letter. Okay. An informal letter or a personal letter is written to a relative, a close friend or someone you know well. The letter reads like a conversation and the tone is friendly. So I told you that informal letters are writing to the relatives, friends, parents, etc. And the tone of this letter is friendly. Okay? Very good. So what are the steps to be taken when we write a informal letter? Let us see the steps. Okay. So let us see the steps of an informal letter. Okay. First one, your address. When we write an informal letter, we should write the address. We should write our address. Okay. Start your letter with your address. We should start the letter with our address. First we should write the address, then we should mention the date. Okay, mention the date on which you are writing the letter. So first we should write the address, then we should write the date, then third, salutation. Okay. Salutation is like, dear Monica. If you are writing a letter to your friend, you should call his name like dear Ali or dear Reshma, like that. Okay, we should start your letter. Then salutation. After salutation, it is body. Body means the content of the letter. What you are going to say through your letters. What information you are going to give through your letter. What message you are going to say through the letter. That is the body of the letter. Next one is closing. Closing means the end of the letter. When we end the letter, we should write like with love or best wishes, lovingly yours, like that we should write. Okay. Then name of the sender. At last we are writing the name of sender. Okay, sender means who is writing, the name of the person who is writing the letter. That we will give in the last. Okay. Okay, my dear children, in page number 13 there is a question for you. What is the question? What is the question? Let us see it. Okay. Pinocchio comes back home with his father. He feels miserable because he has been a naughty boy. He wishes to write a letter to his father, promising him to be good. Help Pinocchio write his letter by filling in the blanks below. So, this is the question. Do you understand anything? Don't worry, I will explain it. Okay. Pinocchio comes back home with his father. Do you remember the story of Pinocchio? Do you remember it? Okay, very good. So, he came back. He came back to the home with his father. Right? Then he feels miserable because he has been a naughty boy. Then he is worrying. So we know that Pinocchio was a naughty boy. Pinocchio was a bad boy. Okay. He was disobedient. He was not obedient. He was disobedient to his father. He didn't listen the words of his father. Okay. So he made many problems. Do you remember the story? Okay, very good. So now he wishes to write a letter to his father. Okay, now he wishes to write a letter to his father, promising him to be good. Now he wants to be good. He wants to be a good child. So he is writing a letter to his father. So who is writing this letter? Is it you? You are writing the letter? No. Who is writing? Pinocchio is writing. Okay. So today we are going to write the letter of Pinocchio. We are going to help Pinocchio. Okay. So let's help Pinocchio to write the letter, to complete the letter. So first what we should do? First we should give the address. We should write the address right. Let us give this address. All of you write this address in your textbook. Okay. What is the address? House number 96, Carpenter Lane, Italy. That is the address of Pinocchio. We can give any address, no problem. Okay. So that is the address of Pinocchio. Then we are writing the date. I gave today's date. What is 24th July 2020? Any date can be given. Okay, next greeting. Greeting is, dear, to whom he is writing this letter? To whom he is writing this letter? To his father. So, you can write dear father, or you can write dear papa, dear daddy, something like that. As you wish, you can write anything. Okay. Now, we are going to the body of the letter. Okay, I will read it and I will give the answers also. You please listen. I am sorry for being such a dash child and for not dash to you. That is the opening paragraph of this letter. We can write there, I am sorry for being such a dash child. What type of child was Pinocchio? He was a naughty child. So you should write the naughty. Okay. What is the word? We should write there. It is naughty. So you should write, I am sorry for being such a naughty child and for not dash to you, for not listening to you. Okay. He was a bad child first. He didn't listen his father. So you should write that I am sorry. First of all, he is saying sorry to his father that for being a naughty child. Okay. I am sorry for being such a naughty child and for not listening to you. Then I did many wrong things. Pinocchio had done many wrong things. Do you remember that? Okay, which are they? First of all, I dash school and lost dash you gave me for books. What will be the answer there? First, what he did first? First, he didn't go to school, right? So you should write there, didn't go to school. Okay? What you should write? Didn't go to school and he lost. What he lost? What he lost? He lost his, yeah, very good. What he lost? He lost his money. You gave me for books. Pinocchio's father had given him some money for buying books, but he had lost it. Okay, so you should write that I did many wrong things. First, I didn't go to school and lost the money you gave me for books. I made another dash. What he made? He did a mistake. Okay, so you should write the mistake. What you should write? Mistake. I made another mistake. I went to dash without telling you. He went to what? He went to, who is saying the answer? Very good. He went to Fun Island. So you all are remembering the story. Very good. He went to Fun Island without telling you. So we move on to the next paragraph. Okay. You have been dash to me. Which word can be written there? You have been nice. Okay, you write the word nice there. You have been nice to me. You dash me so much. You dash me so much. You love me so much. His father loved Pinocchio. Okay, so you love me so much. Then I dash to be a dash boy and to follow all that dash tell me. Which word can be written there? He gives promise now. So you should write, I promise to be a good boy. Now he is giving promise to his father. I promise to be a good boy and to follow all that you tell me. Okay, which word can be written there? You. Okay, so I will read the sentence once again. You please listen. I promise to be a good boy and to follow all that you tell me. So the body of the letter is ending here. Now we move on to the last closing line. Okay. Your loving son. Then there is a dash. You have to fill it. What can be written there? I told you at last we should write the name of sender. Who is sending this letter? Who is sending this letter? Yes, very good. It is Pinocchio. Okay, so you should write the name of Pinocchio there. Okay. So I hope now you learnt how to write a letter. Is it interesting? Very good, children. Now I give you a work. Do you want to write a letter again? Okay, let us write one more letter. Okay, there is a page. All of you take page number 18. All of you take page number 18. There is a question. What is the question? Write an informal letter to your friend describing your favorite new toy. So you are going to write a letter. To whom you are writing the letter? To whom? To your best friend. About what? What is the letter about? You are writing a letter describing your favorite new toy. What is toy? What is a toy? Okay, vehicles are there and teddy bears are there and some other toys are there. Okay, so you are writing a letter. You are describing your new toy and you are writing a letter to your best friend. So all of you should write it today itself. Okay, will you write it? Very good, and we will be continue in the next class. Thank you all.